Hi, Abby. Back in here. We got something for you, and it's not a boring biscuit. All right, sit down.
Where is it, huh?
It's hidden.
She knows when you both come, something big's gonna happen.
Give it to her on this side. Yeah.
Oh, look
There.
at it.
Sit down.
Stick it out.
Sit.
She spotted it.
Sit.
Oh
Sit.
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Sit. 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 Sit.
She's very impatient, and you're teasing her. Oh.
We're gonna get that too. Oh, where are we going with that?
Abby, come here. I want to see this. Oh boy.
It looks like a Tootsie Roll
She's
Pop.
very excited. I think that's an excited growl. Abby, now come back. Well, I'm not going to take it.
Is that a good thing? Yeah.
I think she's smiling.
Oh yeah, and the tail's going. Can't figure out where to sit down.
Come on, Abby, over here, right in the
I
sun.
would think this would be a sunny day eating.
She's going to lay
No,
down.
I guess not. Apparently it's a shady one.
That's not good for the video, Abby. I need you in the sun.
Must be something on there that she's licking off.
Oh! Wait a minute. Just remember who gave that to you. She did.
Wow. Where are we going with that, huh? Can't decide?
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, there. She's letting me get a little closer. That is. Well, Abby, you haven't had anything like that in a while, so we thought that you deserved it. All right, I'll leave you alone. Well, you enjoy that, sweet girl.